To set the time and date, press the Settings button. Next, use the right arrow key until Preferences appears on the screen and press the Confirm menu button. Next, use the left arrow key until Time and Date appear on the screen and press the Confirm menu button. Set Date will appear on the screen and press the Confirm menu button. Month, day, and year will be displayed on the screen with the month highlighted. Using the numbers at the bottom, enter the desired month. Note: when entering a 2-digit month, the screen will automatically advance to highlight the day. When entering a single-digit month, you will need to use the right arrow key to advance to day. Once the day is highlighted, use the numbers to enter the desired day. Note: when entering a single-digit day, you will need to use the right arrow key to advance to the year. When entering a 2-digit day, the screen will automatically highlight the year. Using the numbers, enter the desired year. Once a month, day, and year are entered, press the Confirm menu button to save. Next, use the right arrow key to advance until Set Time appears on the screen and press the Confirm menu button. Using the numbers, set the time for hours and minutes. Once the desired time is entered, use the right arrow key to highlight PM or AM. Use the arrow keys to change between AM and PM. Once the time is set, press the Confirm menu button to save. Next, hit the Cancel button to return to the main screen.